Okay, so as we're going through the house, we can check for plumbing as well. And I can just notice here, we've got some Worsbro PEX. Now, this used to be okay to use, and it's been used in a lot of homes, but they have a lawsuit against them where it's actually corroding from the inside. Now, this is going to the water softener, and will probably just be for the cold water, so usually it's the hot water that they had the issues with. So again, just something to put in the report, and basically this is a monitor or replace if you feel that you want to have it replaced. And then something else we noticed while we're here is this line here has been cut. It's the ground line that's supposed to be connected to the cold water line coming in from the house. You can see here it's been disconnected, so you've got to question why that was. But as we're here, I just noticed now that it looks like the grounding line's been reconnected to the closest point of where the water comes into the building. And that looks like it's been done properly. So good thing that we caught it, we followed it up, and everything's fine.